Hi, this is Katie and Patrick Ryan
of Sotheby's International Realty.
Come join us to see our favorite homes on tour today. Mine was in Monterey.
Mine was on Ruth Court in Pacific Grove.
So let's see the homes, and remember to like and subscribe our channel.
Bye.
Bye.
You gotta press the button.
Katie's favorite is a wonderful investment property located at 415-417 Foam Street in Monterey. There is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom main house and a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom guest house in the back with its own kitchen and laundry. A short walk to Cannery Row, Fisherman's Wharf, and the Monterey Bay Aquarium, this home is a perfect vacation getaway or a short-term rental with valuable income potential. This is ready to sell, so contact Patrick or Katie for an appointment. Patrick's favorite is a cutely remodeled beach cottage at 908 Ruth Court in Pacific Grove. This home is for those looking for the simple life. Move-in ready with 2 bedrooms and a stylishly remodeled bathroom and a spacious kitchen. This property lives larger than its 940 square feet. Double pane windows complement the natural light coming from the sunny lot. Conveniently situated in charming Pacific Grove, call Patrick at 831-238-8116 or Katie at 831-521-8508 to book an appointment and to see this one-of-a-kind jewel.